So we're going to find the antiderivative of 1 over x squared minus 2x minus 3, and we're going to use a method called partial fraction decomposition to make the integrand easier to deal with. So the goal is to make this into 2 or more fractions. Well, first thing we're going to do is factor the denominator as much as possible, and this one factors into x minus 3 times x plus 1 dx. And now our goal is to rewrite the integrand. Because these are each linear factors, we're hoping to have it in the form of a over x minus 3 plus b over x plus 1 dx. So the goal is to figure out what a and b are and then do these two integrals separately. Now the way we do this is we think about what it would take to add these fractions together. Well, we know what the least common denominator is. It's right here. So we need to multiply a by whatever we would need to multiply by to give this the least common denominator. So a would need to get multiplied by x plus 1. b, on the other hand, would need to just get multiplied by x minus 3. And then adding those two together should give me the old numerator, so equals 1. Now there's a real nice way to solve this for a and b by zeroing out factors. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to let x equal minus 1, because that zeroes out this part. And what we get, if you put a negative 1 in here, you're going to get b times a minus 4 equals 1. So that results in b equaling negative 1/4. We can do something really similar to get a. We're going to let x this time be 3 and plug it into here. That'll zero out this part. That gives us a times 4 equals 1. And so a equals 1/4. This method works quite often on these, but not every time. If you don't do it that way, you can create a system of equations to solve for a and b. Now, our integral now looks like a, we said, was positive 1/4 over x minus 3 plus a negative 1/4 over x plus 1 dx. So what we'll do is we'll split that into two integrals. And I'm going to pull out my constants. So I have 1/4 times 1 over x minus 3 dx minus 1/4 1 over x plus 1 dx. So now we just need to take the antiderivative of each of these separately. Notice these are both natural logs, so we have 1/4 natural log of the absolute value of x minus 3 minus 1/4 natural log of the absolute value of x plus 1. Oops, we don't need dx anymore. Plus c. Now if we want to simplify this a little bit, we can factor out the 1/4, and then since we have difference of two logs, we can rewrite this as ln the absolute value of x minus 3 over x plus 1. And we actually don't need that parenthesis, but since I've already started it. So, and if you want, you can make that a fourth root, but I'm going to just go ahead and leave it out front. And there's our antiderivative.